This is going to be a video tutorial on how to view your archived jobs on Indeed. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am logged into Indeed. To view your previously archived jobs in Indeed, first thing you want to do is go up to the upper right hand corner, up to these little icons up here, and the one that looks like a ribbon. If you put your mouse cursor over it, it says My Jobs. Click on My Jobs. Then on this page that opens, it says My Jobs. It has 4 tabs below it: Saved, Applied, Interviews, and Archived. You want to click on Archived. I have nothing archived, but if you have anything archived, it will appear in this area. That is how you view your previously archived jobs in Indeed. Thanks for watching.